Hello viewers, so in this video I would like to discuss what is system of linear equations. This is the system of linear equations where a11, a12, a1n, a21, a22, a2n, am1, am2 up to amn, these are the coefficients of the matrix. x1, x2, xn, these are the unknowns. b1, b2, bm are the elements of right hand side, which are the numerical values, and here number of rows are m and number of columns are n. So we have to find out values of the variable x1, x2, x3, xn. So this is the objective when we solve the system of linear equations. So in matrix form we can write down system of linear equations as Ax is equal to b, where A is the coefficient matrix which can be written as Ajk and is denoted here, shown here, and x is the unknown, so x1, x2, xn is the column vector, and b is right hand side, b1, b2, bm, these are the elements which are on right hand side. So we assume that coefficients a, j, k are not all 0, so that A is not a zero matrix. X has n components whereas B has m components. So to solve the system of linear equations, these are the conditions where A is not 0 and X has n components and B has m components. The coefficient matrix is AJK and this is the coefficient of the system of linear equations. Bi is, as I have said, it's right hand side. If all bi's are 0, then we call this system as homogeneous system. If at least one bi is not 0, then equation 1 or system of linear equations is called non-homogeneous system. There are two types of methods to solve these systems: direct methods and iterative methods. Direct methods yield the exact solution of the system after a finite number of steps in absence of round of errors. In these methods, amount of computation involved can be specified in advance. They are independent of desired accuracy. And iterative methods, these methods give a sequence of approximations which converges when the number of iterations tend to infinity or very large to exact solution, and here we can specify the desired accuracy, then we can stop the iterations or computations. Before solving system of equations, we need to know whether system is consistent or not. To test the consistency of the system, we have a few tests. So here we have two types of systems, homogeneous and non-homogeneous system. Let's start with non-homogeneous system. Ax is equal to b. Rank of A is equal to rank of AB augmented matrix is equal to R is equal to n order of A. It means system is consistent and it has unique solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB, which is equal to R, which is less than n order of A, then system is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. If rank of A is less than rank of augmented matrix, it means system is inconsistent and it has no solution. Now let's take homogeneous system, and before going to homogeneous system, I would like to add that when we do the examples, with the help of numerical value also we can see whether system is consistent or not, or it is having unique solution or infinitely many solutions. I'll explain that when we will be doing the example in other videos. Ax is equal to O is homogeneous system. O represents the 0 vector. So row A is equal to row AO, that is augmented matrix, and it is consistent because these two will be always equal. And if rank of A is equal to R, which is equal to n order of A, then trivial solution exists. And trivial solution means that components of known variable, that is x1, x2, xn, they have value 0. So this is trivial solution. And rank of A is equal to R is less than n, so that is order of A. It means infinitely many solutions exist. Thank you.